sir? Something for your speed. You got your license and insurance card? Where are you going? Show me your hands!
On March 26, 2025, a Utah Highway Patrol trooper pulled over 36-year-old Stephen Joseph Bonnet on I-15 in Juab County for speeding. It didn't take long for the trooper to notice something was wrong. Bonnet displayed bloodshot and glazed eyes, slow speech, and lethargic movements. When the trooper asked him to step out to perform field sobriety tests, Bonnet's response was blunt. "No, I think I'm going to run." And he did.
Alright, Chelsea. You will be 1060 on that vehicle or the 214.
I'll be on the way then.
Hey, firm. How's it going, sir? Something for your speed. You got your license and insurance card? Where are you headed to? Do you have your license?
Yeah,
It's in where? Okay. So what are you looking for if it's in your pocket? Oh, I thought you just said it was in your pocket. You're good? Yeah, for sure.
1 ounce. Yeah, 36.
Don't know where it's at? What's that? Alright. Do you have your insurance card? And registration? I guess let's start there. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle? Alright. Oh, hold on. Alright, man. Anything illegal in the vehicle? No marijuana? No meth, cocaine, heroin, methamphetamine? Is that just incense I'm smelling? Who are you on the phone with? I said I'm gonna have you step out real quick. Found your wallet? Did you find your insurance card also? You already showed me your registration. I'm looking for an insurance card. That's your registration. Alright, man. Nothing to drink? Anything in your system? Alright. You just got some really bloodshot eyes, so I just want to check, make sure you're safe to drive. Where are you coming from? Been on the road for a while then? What time did you leave? So you haven't been drinking though? Nothing in your system? Alright. Oh. Heber, you got a ways. Yeah. Alright, step out real quick. We're just gonna go through some tests real quick. I don't have your phone. step out real quick. What do you need? I don't know where your phone's at. Yeah, I'm asking you to. Come over. Shut the door so it doesn't get taken off and step back here. Why do you keep handing me your wallet? I asked you for your insurance. You've already handed me your driver's license. I'm just asking you to step behind your vehicle, man. I'm not trying to be. I've just asked you multiple times to step back here with me and you keep looking for something and I don't know what you're looking for. Okay. So you can find your phone in just a second. Let's come back here. I'm waiting on you. Again, I told you multiple times I don't have your phone. What's that? No, step out. Where are you going?
It's gonna be 8 Lima Juliet 19.
Correctional 16.
Bonnet fled in his van, leading troopers on a pursuit until spike strips blew his tires and he crashed into a barrier. Even then, he refused to exit the vehicle despite repeated commands. It wasn't until a SWAT team deployed pepper balls that Bonnet was taken into custody without further incident. He was booked into Juab County Jail on a lengthy list of charges including DUI, fleeing police, speeding, marijuana possession, possession of drug paraphernalia, an open container of alcohol, driving without a required ignition interlock device, being an alcohol-restricted driver, and obstruction of justice. Court records also revealed a prior DUI case in which Bonnet had entered a plea in abeyance and been placed on 36 months of probation with a suspended prison sentence, suggesting this was not his first brush with impaired driving. On September 9, 2025, Bonnet was sentenced to at least 5 years in the Utah State Prison after pleading guilty to fleeing police, DUI with a prior felony, and obstruction of justice. The remaining charges were dropped.
It's a white box van. It's got Park City key and lock written on it with a 32 on the back. It's an older box van. The number 1 lane off the shoulder. Show 622, 1050, just hit the guardrail.
Copy 1050 to 221, 1050, 221.
This one's still on for 14. Vehicle 1050 or you 1050?
Show 622, it's the vehicle that's 1050. I'm fine. He's off on the left shoulder. I'm not at gunpoint.
Retro copy.
Driver! Shut the vehicle off! Show me your hands! Still in the vehicle. Just for your 14, traffic is at a stop. Driver! Come out of the passenger side now! Retro 622, he's still raging in the vehicle.
Copy, subject is reading.
Go out the passenger side now! have Nephi or Chua can come this way. He's uncooperative.
Copy, they're expediting that way.
Copy, thank you. Show me your hands now! And step out of the passenger side now! Step out of the vehicle now! Come out the passenger side!
Still reaching.
Yeah, it's just one driver.
Yeah. I got eyes on him through the river window.
Step out of the vehicle now! Oh, he can hear me. Then step out of the vehicle on the passenger sides with your hands up. How's this? Step out of the passenger side with your hands up. Is that better? I'm not yelling anymore. I'm just asking you to cooperate.
Richville, got it.
Yeah, out at gunpoint. Still, driver still behind the driver's seat. Not coming out.
Copy. The K9s have been notified. They'll be around.
Copy, thank you. You can hear me, man. Don't make this worse than it already is. Just step out. Come on, man. Just step out of the passenger side. Put your hands up and walk back towards the sound of my voice. Got a dog here. Are you willing to? You got to cooperate now, bud. I don't want to have to send the dog. What'd I get? A bird? I don't want to have to send the dog. Come on, man. Stop trying to start the truck. Come on, let's go. Step out the passenger side. If you don't cooperate, less lethal will be used, K9s and pepper balls. Come on, man. It's not going to get any better for you. Just cooperate.
Just throwing shit in the back. Now he's moving.
Looks like Cross across to the passenger side. Open that door. I just don't want him crossing through everything. I've kind of seen what's in the front for the most part, but
He's getting in the back and hiding from the drone.
that's what it looks like.
Okay, he's got rifle. Gun.
Virtual 622. It looks like he just
got a
reached
gun.
for a gun.
Long gun with the sling. Long gun with the sling.
Can you turn like that truck?
Suspect might have a rifle, possibly.
See him through that tinted window.
Can't see. He's blended in the back of the vehicle.
He's
Hey,
behind that fucking tinted window.
let's get everybody back behind that armor, so we don't start taking rounds through this car.
Okay, you're good. I got you. You can go. I got you. You're good.
I gotta get back to my rifle. Davis, go get my rifle.
We moved to this so DPS, SWAT, and us can all hear the same information. If you've got clear shot and everything looks good, you're clear to deploy gas into that truck. We have 2 ferret rounds deployed into the vehicle. Gas is permeating. Copy. 2 rounds into the vehicle. Gas is working. Tony, if you can get up to behind this Humvee with the dog, send the dog. Suspect has opened the back passenger door, but he's just flipping us off. Nothing in his hands visible yet. Doggy. Tony, get your K9 up here behind the Humvee. Okay, he's exiting. Suspects being taken down. In the process of going 82 right now. Copy, going 82. Hey, you too. Okay, is the scene secure down there so highway can take over? Confirm.
Back and bring
The case is now closed. What began with a trooper clocking a speeding van ended with a SWAT call-out, a prison sentence, and one of the more memorable lines ever offered during a traffic stop. Bonnet's decision to announce his intentions before fleeing, and then follow through, made this a standout case of brazen impaired driving on a Utah interstate.